Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be decorating my room for fall. I'm just gonna set you guys up really quick. This is just gonna be a really casual and like chill video. As you can see, I'm in my comfy clothes right now. It's also really gloomy outside today. I live in California where there's like no seasons, so that does not happen very often, so I'm really excited. Before we decorate, I need to clean my room because yesterday I was not having the best day and I really didn't feel like picking anything up. I kind of just like made a mess in my room. I also tried to film a video yesterday and it just didn't go well. And whenever I film a video, there's a big mess and like, I don't know. Long story short, my room's a mess. I didn't feel like cleaning it up yesterday. So that is what we're doing first before we get to decorating. Okay guys, so my room is all clean now. There's just a few things still out, but it's fine. Here's my desk, and then there's my bed. Okay, so before we start decorating, I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of all the decorations that I got. It is literally so hot. Okay, I need to change. I got a lot of these things actually at the thrift store. Thrift stores have really good fall decorations, and they're super cheap. So the first thing that I got was this little pumpkin. There's obviously a few spots where it's not in like the best condition, but hey, it was $3. I'll only be using these things for like I don't know, however many more weeks until Halloween. Next thing I got was this little jack-o'-lantern. I'm just gonna put a little fake candle inside of it. This was also $2. And then this is another thing that is more just like for decorations in my room, just in general, not specifically for fall. But I got 3 vinyls that I'm gonna hang on the wall. Oh, and then I also got this from the thrift store. Again, this is not even fall related, but just look at how cute it is. I mean, I could not resist it. I'm sorry. All right, that's all I got from the thrift store. Next, I got this candle from the Target dollar section. It was only $3. I never used to be into candles, but my friend Maddie got me one for my birthday and I became like obsessed with it. I just loved how like it made my room feel. So now I love candles. It might be a little bit dangerous now that I love candles because I spent $26 on this. This is a candle from Bath & Body Works. It is pumpkin snickerdoodle, I think. It smells so good. This candle is literally the most expensive thing that I bought for this video. So next I got these vines from Urban Outfitters. I already have a set of these like above my bed. You can see them in the mirror right there, but I wanted to get another one to fill up the space on the wall by my desk. I feel like it just looks super empty. Like if I turn the camera just a little bit this way and film from this angle, like look at this half of the screen versus this half of the screen, you know what I mean? And then I grabbed a couple things from the Halloween decorations that we have that are in storage. So first is this really cute little ghost succulent, and then I also found this little pumpkin light. So that's all the stuff I got, and now it's time to start decorating. Okay, maybe I should do the vines first. I'm just gonna put them on the wall, just like hanging down right here, if that makes sense. You guys will see what I mean. I'm just gonna hang them up with some thumbtacks. I remember last time these were super messy when I opened them and they smelled really bad. Oh my gosh, that smells like fish food. Why was that so specific? All right, here they are. I don't know why they smell so bad. It goes away after like a few minutes, obviously, but they, oh my god. Oh my gosh. No. I dropped a thumbtack. Oh, thank god it fell on my chair. I think it comes with 5 strands. Let's hope I don't fall, guys, because I'm standing on my chair for this. I don't know how I'm gonna like space them out. I feel like it would be smarter to start from the middle and then work my way out. Maybe not, but we'll see. Oh, dang it, I cannot reach that. I need to just not be lazy and move my desk for this. First strand is up. Okay guys, I just did it. Pretty sure I like it. I think I just need to get used to it. Also, 2 leaves fell off right there, so I am literally just gonna tape them to the wall. There we go. Here it is from like a little bit farther away. Now I think I'm gonna do the records. I'm gonna put them on this wall right here, I think. If it doesn't look good, I have no idea where I'm gonna put them, but we'll figure it out. I don't know, like it's kind of cute, right? All right, now it's time for the actual fall decorations. Let's find a place to put my pumpkin. Or maybe right here? Is that cute? I feel like this side needs more stuff because like look at this huge blank space. Oh, that's cute. That's actually so cute. I like that. Okay, now let's figure out where to put this. Do you guys think I should replace this and put it right there or over here? I'm kind of feeling it right here because this is where I do like my homework and stuff. And so I could like have it next to me. And then I could put this right here and take this candle out and put it in here. See, look how cute that is. I kind of want to put this one on my nightstand. I think I'm gonna replace this with this. Okay, that's cute. I don't think I'm gonna put this anywhere. I really wanted to use it, but it just doesn't work very well. I could probably just put new batteries in it, but I also just don't have that much space left either. You know what I was also thinking of doing? I kind of wanted to replace my banana light with one of those like ghost lights from Target. It's just like a neon sign that's a ghost. I don't know, we'll see. I might go to Target today and look. But yeah, other than that, I think my room is finished. Hey guys, so I wanted to take a minute to talk about today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. If you don't know what Skillshare is, it's basically just this online learning community that offers tons of classes. These classes can range from things like cooking to photography to film and video, lifestyle, business, just a ton of different things. It's so easy for literally anyone to find something that they can enjoy and find useful on Skillshare. I also wanted to share some of the classes that I've been liking recently. There's one class that is called Plants at Home, Uplift Your Spirit and Your Space, taught by Christopher Griffin. It's just so cute and I really want to get more into plants. Another class I wanted to share is called Art Journaling for Self-Care, 3 exercises for reflection and growth, taught by Amanda Rach Lee. I bet that name sounds familiar to some of you because she is actually a YouTuber. Journaling is another thing I've been wanting to get into recently, so like I said, Skillshare has something for everyone, and since it's curated specifically for learning, there's no ads and they're always adding new premium classes. Plus it's super affordable too. It's less than $10 a month for an annual subscription. And of course I have a deal for you guys. The first 1,000 people that click the link in my description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium. So make sure to go check it out. I hope you guys love it as much as I do, and let's get back to the video.